Hey, what's up YouTube? So I'm at Eddie's house and we're gonna be working on his Mustang. We're gonna be tearing it apart. He had some issues with the motor and we just wanna make sure it's all squared away. Eddie, this is... Hi y'all. And so I'm gonna be just basically doing a time lapse of tearing it apart. This is gonna be on some series as well. I'm gonna be doing some parts of this. So stick around. Brandon. So this is VMR Gen2R Supercharger on a 4-stitch that was stroked out to a 5.0. Is that correct?
Gen2R.
Gen2R, my bad. You can definitely tell I don't know anything about these, but what we're gonna do is we're gonna tear this all apart. Intake's off, supercharger's off, I'm getting all the wiring off, and maybe tonight we can pull the motor. Alright guys, this is the twin screw supercharger and this thing is super badass. As you guys know that I'm usually associated with turbos. So the air goes in here. This pulley is getting turned by the engine's crank and it just compresses the air, comes out of here, and if that's open, then it just recirculates, keeps going around in circles. But once it closes, it then goes onto this intake, goes through here, and this is like an intercooler that's connected to this giant water block. Also goes to a heat exchanger. That's what these lines go for. And then underneath, they go straight into the intake ports on the block. So this thing is really cool. So at this moment we have everything off, all the electrical, all the bell housing bolts. We have the exhaust disconnected, got the media pipe coming off the long tubes, and we're getting ready to pull the motor. Eddie, we got the motor out. Yeah. Hell yeah, brother. There she goes. Hey guys, just finished up that Mustang. Got the motor pulled and getting it ready to get shipped off to the machine shop. Thanks for dropping in. I hope you guys have a great night. Thanks.